Hey everybody, and welcome back to 3COG. Today I'm doing a follow-up, like a 18-month follow-up, kind of, maybe longer, on my Leatherman MUT. So that's my gun belt. I've done videos about that, and anything that I reference that I have links to for Amazon, I will post below. Alright, so the Kydex carrier that it's in is made by Detroit Holster Company. And it's held up really well. When I initially got it, I was a little bit concerned about the clip that is used to mount it to the belt. It's made in China. But this has worked very well, and I have not had any issues with it. So, onto the tool. As you can see, retention's very good. Alright, so this is the same tool that I talked about a while ago. You can see it's pretty worn, getting pretty beat up. So, first and foremost, I broke the brass scraper piece. I just noticed there's a crack in the plastic. Alright, so I broke that brass scraper piece because I was misusing it. I was using it to try to pry apart a knot. That's not what that's for. I broke it. It is not their fault. This crack in the plastic I had not noticed until I just started making this video, but it has not screwed up the function of the tool. Everything else on the tool, here you've got partially serrated knife, actually still holding a pretty good edge. It does use an inline lock, which I do not like. Saw, I don't think I've ever used that. Belt clip works actually very well. Here's your little punch, and then it is threaded. I don't know if I can get this off easily. No. But it's threaded so that you can attach other things to it. Your threaded attachment point here for you to be able to attach other cleaning rod segments to it, and then use this whole thing as a T-handle. I still have both of the bits or the drivers. As you can see, they have been pretty well used, but they're holding up well, and the retention system in the tool itself has worked, as I have not lost them. There's the other one. So that's that. The lock that holds it shut still works well. I was kind of concerned about that wearing out this piece or just losing it, losing the lock, and it hasn't yet. Pliers still work. Folding action still works. I think I've sprayed this thing off like one time with disc brake cleaner, and then put some dry lube on it. Cutters are in decent shape. A little bit of an edge roll there. I have used these cutters multiple times. But the pliers themselves are fine. Honestly, there's nothing really negative to report. A little bit right here. Still good to go, no issues. Bottle opener and this little carabiner type clip still works good. Nothing else is really broken or overly worn on it. Like I said, this brass piece breaking, that's my fault. I misused the tool. It's nobody else's fault but my own. It's definitely not Leatherman's fault. So yeah, and this little hooky piece. So this little hooky piece is used for brass over bolt. I have actually used it on the range twice now. Not on my own weapon, but when I'm running ranges and I am clearing out shooters problems, I've actually used that twice now. So, and it works exactly as advertised. It's one of the best ways I've ever seen to clear a brass over bolt malfunction. So, and it works. So that's it. That's the status of it. I'm still very, very happy with it. I think it's a quality piece of gear, and I have not had any issues. Obviously, like I said, that's my fault. The broken plastic right here, I think that might be due to the broken piece kind of jamming into it. I don't know, but it hasn't messed up the function of the tool in any other way. So I'm not too concerned about it. I still recommend it. I think it's a very good multi-tool. And yeah, so that's it. I was asked to make this follow-up on the multi-tool. I'm more than happy to do that. If I speak about something and you want to know more about it, tell me in the comments section below, and I'll be more than happy to make a follow-up video or answer your question. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time on 3cog.